Oh my God, it's a lot of fun at the beach on rainy days are the best. Foxy lady with an E. Yeah. That bird. That bird, but I think I saw something in the water. I know I feel like I would love it. If I was a fish or a dolphin or a whale. This is the best day to go to the beach when it's raining. And you know what? I skate. I got a diagnosis. Like just different from everybody else. But I told you before it even started raining that I love it. I got flooded out my spot, but I feel better being in the rain and being up under some shelter. I'm a plant. I have melanin instead of chlorophyll, and I'm just soaking it all up.